Hello YouTube friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on an inspiring journey into the world of ancient philosophy, where we will explore together the Stoic laws of life. These laws are not just philosophical principles, they are keys to understanding priorities and life on a deeper level. In this video, we'll delve into how Stoic life laws can be a guide for each of us in unlocking our priorities and better navigating our lives. You'll discover how a profound understanding of these laws can bring about a transformation in your lifestyle and provide a clearer vision for your future. Get ready for a journey of discovery and inspiration. Tune in now to 10 Stoic rules for life and prepare to open the doors to priorities in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments to let us know your thoughts and experiences. Thanks to you, we're here to build a community that strives for growth and development. Let's start this inspiring journey together. Rule 1. Keep some things to yourself and be a bit mysterious. The idea of not revealing everything about yourself is attractive, and this mystery can make you powerful. As Seneca said, to be everywhere is to be nowhere. Take this as your guide. Be present but also maintain a sense of mystery. Let others discover more about you slowly and thoughtfully, sharing pieces of your life over time. This way, your personality becomes like a puzzle they want to solve, making them more excited to explore your character. Think of Cleopatra, the famous historical figure. She wasn't just attractive and powerful, but also mysterious. By keeping her thoughts and reasons hidden, she made people curious about her. If you want to capture people's attention, be surprising. Take different paths through new and unfamiliar areas. This draws them in, making them want to understand you better. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let them be a part of your journey. In simple terms, don't show everything about your life to everyone. Instead, think of your life like a book with many chapters. Each chapter reveals a bit more about the interesting person you are. By keeping some things mysterious, you become more attractive and others will want to know more about you. Rule 2. Make people fear losing you. Often people don't appreciate what comes easy, but they care more when there's a possibility of losing it. Imagine yourself as irreplaceable, someone whose absence would be deeply felt. You're not just one of many options, you're crucial to them. How can you make them feel this way? By being independent and capable of taking care of yourself. Your life is exciting and fulfilling on its own, even without them. This makes them want to be a part of your life because they see it as a special opportunity, not something they expect. Your strength comes from being independent and having a captivating life. People will view you as significant, not just another person seeking their attention. They'll make an effort to keep you in their life. You don't need to chase or beg for their attention. They should be the ones trying to get your attention. So make them a bit worried about losing you. Let them actively want to be a part of your life and see you as something valuable. Consider the example of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak at the start of Apple. Wozniak's technical skills and creative ideas were crucial for Apple's success, and Jobs recognized his importance, making Wozniak a valuable part of their teamwork. This illustrates how vital it is to notice and appreciate what each person brings to the team, making yourself someone they can't replace. Rule 3. Craft your own happiness. This means believing that true happiness comes from within, centered around confidence and independence, making you more attractive. Instead of relying on others to make you happy, cultivate fulfillment within yourself. Confidence and self-happiness naturally make you appealing to those who value positive individuals and trust in themselves. When you find joy within, you become like a radiant light inspiring others. Creating your own happiness shows that you're not seeking another person to make you complete. You're already a happy and whole individual. This is attractive because it doesn't place the responsibility for your happiness on others. Instead, you want to share the happiness you possess with others, enhancing their lives. Your presence becomes magnetic, radiating positivity and confidence that naturally draws people towards you. As Seneca once said, true happiness is when you enjoy the present and don't worry too much about the future. This means you can create your happiness, independent of external factors. Consider Theodore Roosevelt, who despite facing challenges like losing his wife and mother on the same day, knew how to find happiness within himself. Living a robust and active life, engaging in activities like boxing and helping others, his happiness and energy stemmed from within, not relying on external opinions. This made him a popular leader, showcasing the strength of creating your own happiness. Rule 4. Make yourself valuable and allow others to invest in you. Recognize that you're unique, akin to a precious gem that others should desire to have. Your worth isn't merely about your presence. It's about being a significant and intentional part of someone's life. Remember, when something is easy to obtain, it's not always appreciated. True appreciation arises from investing effort and commitment. As people dedicate their time, emotions, and energy to you, their connection strengthens. You evolve from being someone they barely notice to becoming someone they genuinely care about. Your role isn't to beg for their attention or love. It's to demonstrate that you bring something valuable to their life, something worth their authentic interest. Let them choose to invest in you, making your presence a cherished part of their life. They wouldn't want to let you go. As Seneca said, to make a precious stone shine, you have to rub it, and to make a person better, they need to face difficulties. This illustrates that your worth isn't just about existing, but about being wanted and actively contributing to improvement. Consider the story of Alexander the Great and his teacher Aristotle. Aristotle wasn't merely a teacher, he was a beacon of knowledge and intelligent thinking, crucial for ruling an empire. Alexander recognized the value of Aristotle's teachings and invested significant time and effort to learn from him. This partnership wasn't just a collaboration, it was a close relationship where the student saw the teacher as a vital resource, akin to a treasure chest of wisdom. Aristotle's challenging teachings played a pivotal role in shaping Alexander's greatness, emphasizing the importance of noticing and appreciating what each person brings to a relationship or collaboration. Rule 5. Don't make someone the most important thing in your life all the time. Remember, your life shouldn't revolve solely around one person. Think of yourself as a bright star in the sky, radiating with your unique light and energy. You have your own path, separate from theirs. Don't let everything in your life orbit around them. You have your dreams, goals, and your personal identity. This perspective makes you more intriguing and keeps them curious about your life, adding excitement and allure. Your independence and sense of adventure contribute to making the relationship more captivating. It's about enhancing each other's lives while staying true to yourself. When you don't place them at the center of your world, you become even more attractive. Living a life beyond the confines of the relationship helps you keep growing, injecting excitement and freedom into your partnership. Consider the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. If you're at peace with yourself, you're in harmony with the world. This quote resonates with the idea of maintaining independence in relationships, showcasing how a balanced and independent life can lead to a more fulfilling and harmonious existence. Rule 6. Make sure your needs come first. This rule emphasizes the critical importance of considering your needs and emotions in any relationship. Always be aware of your self-worth and steer clear of situations where you are undervalued or treated poorly. Understand how significant you are, and don't settle for anything less than what you deserve. Your happiness and self-respect should never be something you compromise, especially not for someone who doesn't treat you well. When you prioritize yourself and your well-being, you're sending a powerful message that you won't let anyone diminish your value. You stand as an equal, and your feelings carry substantial weight. You're not here to appease or seek approval from others. Your goal is to build respectful and healthy relationships based on self-respect. As Marcus Aurelius once wisely said, what really bothers people are not the things that happen, but how they think about them. This quote aligns with Rule 6, emphasizing the importance of considering and managing situations in relationships while maintaining a focus on self-respect. Rule 7. Don't always be ready and waiting. Rare and special things aren't found everywhere, and neither should your availability be. Recognize that your time is precious and shouldn't be given away easily to anyone who asks for it. Prioritize your life and envision one where you're not constantly waiting. It's a state where your entire existence doesn't revolve around meeting others' expectations or desires. You have a life of your own to live and explore, and those who get the chance to be a part of it should consider themselves fortunate. Finding the balance and not always being ready to cater to others' needs makes you intriguing. It makes them ponder whether you have plans of your own. Constant readiness might lead them to believe they can access your time at any moment. But remember, you're not just anyone. You're someone of value. Rule 8. Don't always be the one to initiate conversations. This rule is about finding a balance in how communication works in any relationship. It means it's not always good to be the person starting conversations all the time. Allowing others to take the lead sometimes is crucial. This approach shows that you have a life filled with interests and other activities, and it also helps you see if they are interested in you as well. Always being the one to start conversations might make you seem too available, and it's not about playing games, but ensuring that there is mutual respect and effort in the relationship. Marcus Aurelius' idea that the best way to respond to someone who has hurt you is not to act like them applies to the context of communication. It means you shouldn't mimic behaviors that create an unfair balance or make you feel unappreciated. It's about maintaining self-respect and not constantly seeking attention or approval. Rule 9. Don't get too emotionally attached. This rule is about finding the right balance for emotions on your journey to becoming significant to someone. It means ensuring that you don't surrender your emotions to the relationship to the point where they control you and negatively impact the relationship. It's about finding the healthy balance between sharing your feelings and remaining composed so that your value doesn't diminish. While emotions are a significant part of our personalities, displaying them excessively might make us seem less valuable to others. This aligns with Seneca's advice that the best way to deal with anger is to wait, emphasizing the importance of being patient and controlling our emotional reactions. Rule 10. Be ready to walk away from a relationship that doesn't treat you well. This rule is about understanding your personal value and not allowing anyone to overstep your boundaries. You should set clear standards for how you should be treated in any relationship. When these standards are repeatedly ignored, you must be bold enough to walk away, even if you are emotionally involved. This doesn't mean being harsh. It means taking care of yourself. It shows that you respect yourself and won't allow anyone to mistreat you. Being ready to walk away sends a powerful message that the situation is serious, and it may make the other person realize that they need to treat you better if they want to keep you in their life. In the culmination of this philosophical journey, as we ponder upon these Stoic laws of life, we realize that wisdom lies in our understanding of priorities and deep contemplation. Let us lead a life guided by these 6 laws, showcasing to the world that life is about wisdom and balance. Our steps may be small, but each wise decision brings us closer to success. Let's savor every moment, expressing gratitude for what we have, and appreciating the lessons taught by these laws. Life is an adventure full of opportunities, and we are the pioneers who can script our story with letters of wisdom and joy. So, with each sunrise, let's be prepared to embrace a new day filled with opportunities and challenges, turning every moment into a fresh beginning in the story of our lives.